How to install your custom avatar for the Craft Lake City Virtual DIY Festival. We have created custom avatars to help you stand out. You need to install them yourself. However, installation is easy. Before you get started, make sure you have the file for your custom avatar skin ready to go. It is a small JPEG file. I have mine right here. When you're ready to get started, open up Mozilla Hubs in a browser window. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are signed in. To do so, click on the button in the upper right-hand corner. As you can see, I am currently signed in, but if you are not signed in, make sure to do so before proceeding. Next, click on Enter Room, then Enter on Screen, and you might also be asked to confirm your microphone settings. At this point, you might be prompted to choose an avatar. If you are not prompted to choose your avatar, click on the circular button with 3 lines in the top left corner, then choose Set Name and Avatar. From here, click on Browse Avatars, then click on the gray button that says Create an Avatar. In this menu, you can choose the shape of your avatar. You can choose either the tapered shape on the left or the flared shape on the right. Make sure not to use the strange blocky shape in the middle. Next, click on the cloud-shaped icon under Skin where it says Base Map. Then select the JPEG file of your custom avatar skin, and it will apply it to your avatar. Here you will see a preview of what your avatar will look like to others. In this menu, you can also set your name at the top here. When you are done, click Save at the bottom to save your new avatar. Click on your avatar to choose it. You can also change your name in this screen if you would like to. Finally, click Accept at the bottom, and you are done and ready for the festival.